Namah Shivaya children, welcome to English class. I am back with another chapter of grammar, that is adverb. So in this session we are going to learn about adverbs and types of adverbs. So shall we start today's session children? Yes, first let's know what is adverb. Adverbs are words that modify a verb. Example, he drove slowly. Then an adjective. He drove a very fast car. Then another adverb. She moved quite slowly down the aisle. Let's learn about adverb. More about adverb. An adverb is a word used to modify. Modify means describe children, a verb, an adjective or another adverb. That means an adverb is a word used to describe maybe verb or maybe adjective or maybe another adverb. Let's look at the examples. In example 1, I will eat later. The adverb later modifies the verb eat. Then in the second example, the place was strangely quiet. The adverb strangely modifies the adjective quiet. Then in the third example, he is almost always busy. The adverb almost modifies the adverb always. Let's look at the rules. There are some rules in the formation of adverbs. Let's go through that rules. Okay. For most adjectives, add ly. For most of the adjectives, we add ly. Okay. So, for example, patient, patiently. Then for adjectives ending in y, change the y to I and add ly. So, the adjectives ending with y, you have to change the y into I and then add ly. For example, easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. You have to add what you have to do before adding ly. Yes, you have to change y into I, then you should add ly. Is it not, children? Yes. Then E-A-S-Y, then when you are making adverb, so what you have to do, E-A-S, then change the y into I, then add ly. E-A-S-I-L-Y. Understood, children? Then next, for adjectives ending in C, add A-L-L-Y. Okay. Example, A-U-T-O-M-A-T-I-C, automatic. It ends with C. So, when the adjectives are ending with C, what you have to do? Yes, you have to add A-L-L-Y. So, A-U-T-O-M-A-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, automatically. That some adverbs of manner are irregulars. That is, that they don't end in ly. Some adverbs of manner are irregular, children. They will not end with ly. For example, good, well, etc. Some irregular adverbs have the same form as the adjective, like fast. Understood, children? Yes. Let's look at the formation of adverbs. Adjectives, adverb. So, beautiful, adverb is beautifully. So, you are going to add ly. Okay. Then, slow, slowly. You are going to add ly. Bad, badly. You are going to add ly. But happy, it is ending with y. So, what you have to do, children? Yes, you have to change the y into I. Then you should add ly. Happy, it is ending with y. So, what you have to do? Change the y to I, then add ly. So, it becomes happily. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y. Okay, then noisy. N-O-I-S-Y. Noisy. Then y change to I. N-O-I-S. Change the y into I. Then add ly. So, N-O-I-S-I-L-Y. Noisily. Then easy. I have given the example before. Easy, E-A-S-Y, easy, E-A-S, change the Y into I, then add L-Y. Okay, understood children? Yes. Now let's learn about the types of adverbs. I hope you have understood what is adverb. Yes, let's move on to the types of adverbs. There are 5 types of adverbs. They are adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, and adverb of degree. So let's learn one by one. Adverbs of manner, then how the action is done, then adverbs of place, where the action is done, then adverbs of time, when the action is done, adverbs of frequency, how often the action is done. Let's learn more about these types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner answer the question how or in what manner. Note children, note that this class includes nearly all those adverbs ending in ly. Examples are quickly, carefully, sweetly, clearly, bravely, beautifully, well, fast, etc. So I have already told you some adjectives are there which will not end with ly. Some irregular like well and fast. Okay. Then the soldiers fought bravely. It's ending with ly. How did the soldiers fought? Yes. It's answer the adverbs of manner, answers the questions how. How did the soldiers fight? The soldiers fought bravely. This essay is well written. How is the essay written? Yes, it is well written. She walked slowly. How did she walk? She walked slowly. The baby slept soundly. How did the baby sleep? The baby slept soundly. Understood children what is adverb of manner? Yes, let's move on to the next type of adverb, that is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time answer the question when. It answers the question when the action is done. Examples are today, yesterday, now, before, daily, already, since, ago, never, etc. Let's look at these examples. I met him yesterday. When did you meet him? Yes, I met him yesterday. His father died 2 years ago. When did his father die? 2 years ago. I have seen him before. They have already come. We will have to start now. So understood children what is adverbs of time? Adverbs of time answers the question when. Okay. Then adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us the place where something happens. They answer the question where. Adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner answers the question how. Adverbs of time answers the question when. Then adverbs of place answer the question where. Okay. They answer the question where. Adverbs of place mainly modify verbs. Please sit here. Where should I sit? Here. They looked everywhere. Where did they look? Everywhere. 2 cars were parked outside. Where were 2 cars parked? Outside. So adverbs of place answers the question where. Let's move on to the next type of adverb, that is adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. Example, the children always go to school on the bus. I will never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. So these adverbs or phrases answer the question how often the action is done. So did you understand, children, these four types of adverbs? Okay, let's move on to the next type of adverb, that is adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us the degree or extent to which something happens. They answer the question how much or to what degree. Adverbs of degree can modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. She entirely agrees with him. How much does she agree with him? Mary is very beautiful. To what degree is Mary beautiful? How beautiful is Mary? He drove quite dangerously. To what degree did he drive dangerously? How dangerously did he drive? So these are all the 5 types of adverbs we learned today. Watch the video once again, children. You will understand better. Okay? Then, so words commonly used as adverbs. So I have given some words that are often used as adverbs in sentences. For where, here, there, everywhere, when, now, never, always, often. Then how, well, hard, fast, much, how often, daily, usually, seldom, to what extent, very, too, quite, almost. These are all the words commonly used as adverbs. Here is an assignment, children. What you have to do? You have to identify the adverbs. Read the sentences. Identify the adverb. You have understood? Know what is adverbs, children? Yes, then do this assignment. First one. The fish swam slowly in the very warm water. The fish swam slowly in the very warm water. Then second one, the orange card always works better than the yellow card. Then third one, today my sister went to school early in the morning. Fourth one, they often run outside. Now they are playing here inside. Fifth one, we laughed so hard that our stomachs really hurt. These are all the 5 questions I have given. You have to identify the adverbs in these sentences. Do it in your home assignment book, children. Okay. Understood, children, what is adverb and then the types of adverbs? I hope you have understood. Then do the assignment, children. I'll be back in the next class with a different topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children. Namah Shivaya.